Oh, I absolutely love being the magnet coordinator. Being the magnet coordinator allows me to open up doors for kids.
We arrive,
Hey,
set up, prepare our table, mentally prepared,
I cannot.
talk to 100 kids. We have to make an impact on them.
And it's just awesome. I just keep myself focused on the task at hand.
I love it.
Hey,
We're salesmen, so we have to be in that game.
Connect with other schools.
open up the windows of opportunity that never thought that they could have it.
I wish we had more time to be able to talk to individual students and get to know them.
Me encanta ser un coordinador magnet.